Sloth Group, welcome to day 14. You're going to be doing all of your usual routines, including getting some fresh air and exercise. For today, the first activity you have is some weather words ABC order. Okay, so you're going to read through these words below. Now you can either cut these out and glue them, or you can rewrite them in alphabetical order. If you cut them out though, it's really helpful to move them around and put them in ABC order before you glue them to the sheet. So if you're having problems with doing ABC order, that's definitely going to be the better option. Now, just like the other day when we talked about ABC order, if the word starts with, if there's two words that start with the same letter, you have to look at the next letter to see which one comes first. So looking at cloud versus cold, they both start with a C. Now we look at the second letter. This one's an L, where this one's an O. So L comes in the alphabet before O. So our word that would go first would be cloud. Okay, so you have some ABC order with that. Then we have a Bravo book report. So you're going to be writing all about whatever book you've read recently that you've really enjoyed. Okay, so you're going to put the name of the book and the author, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, is it real or not real, and what is it about, what your favorite part was, and then give it a review. It's totally okay if you pick a book that you didn't like, because then you can give us a real honest review. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Because then it's going to tell us, should we read this book or should we just say nope and put it back on the shelf and not buy it? Okay, so I hope you guys are really honest with your book reports. Then we have a new activity. This is colorful fraction circles, okay? So when we are talking about fractions, a fraction is a piece out of the whole. So if this was a pizza, the pizza is broken into 8 pieces. That's how many you would need to make it a whole piece. So for this, you're going to follow the directions. It says color 3 parts red. That means you're going to color in 3 pieces red. 4 parts blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 part green. All of them should be colored in at that point. But then it says here, what is the fraction of the circle that is red? Now, whenever we write fractions, we always have to have the numerator, which is how many pieces we're counting, over the denominator, which is how many pieces there are total. So we already said we're coloring in 3 of the pieces red. So I have 3. And then I have to draw a line. And I have to put how many pieces there were total. So in this shape, there was 8 pieces total. So our fraction for this, oops, I actually wrote that really small. Let me rewrite it. It would be 3 out of the 8 pieces are red. So we have 3 out of 8, okay? So that'd be the fraction for that. So as you're going through, I want you to really try your best with these fractions, okay? And see what you guys come up with, okay? And if you need a little more help with this, guess what? We have a hangout today. So if you need help, I'm happy to help you that. Okay, we also have for social studies today where you're going to be illustrating and writing about what makes your community unique. So we talked about this last week in our hangout, and we went over all the special things Costa Mesa has. Some of you live in different cities, but right here you're going to draw a picture of what makes your community unique and then write a sentence or two about it. It might be that there's the fairgrounds or the OC Fair happens every year. It might be that there's a beach nearby, or we have Triangle Square or Southwest Plaza, or even IKEA. I love IKEA. So you're going to write about what makes your community unique. If you live in a different city, do it about your city. I'd love to hear what you think makes your city unique. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you at our hangout. Bye.